Here is the iPhone 5C in a box that I wrote its information on to remember what's wrong with it. I got this iPhone from a £20 joblot that included a poor condition iPhone 5S that was passcode and iCloud locked, and it also included a pink water damaged iPhone 5C which I partially fixed, but the original owner wouldn't give me the passcode for the device. It also included a blue iPhone 5C which fully worked but was in very poor condition, and this is the board I'll be using for this restoration. After retrieving the passcode from the eBay seller, which I have no clue how they got the password, I got in contact with the original owner, and they didn't know the iCloud password as they had thrown the phone in the bin after it was dropped from a building. The iPhone I'll be using for the majority of the parts is a green iPhone 5C that I got for £15 from an eBay phone recycling company, which was in mint condition without a single scratch, but was stuck in recovery mode and could not be restored. Here is the blue 5C, and as you can see it has a portion of the back plastic missing and is in overall poor condition despite the screen not being cracked. It is missing the SIM tray, bottom speaker and the mute toggle switch. After removing the battery and screen, I start to remove the logic board and other main components, getting ready to transfer them into the next housing. I had to use an iPhone 5C connection cover plate that goes where the screen connections go to remove the tight flat-headed screw, as the screwdriver I was using was too thick. In this clip, I remove all the screws holding the logic board down and take the board out of the phone. Here is the green iPhone 5C, which you can see powering on, but it is stuck in recovery mode. I start disassembling the phone, which has no sign of water damage or previous repair, so I don't know why it doesn't work other than possible overheating or wear and tear. Here is the board that was removed from the green 5C, and I begin to swap over the components. Here I put the screen in and install the metal shields and the screws that go with them. The finishing touches on assembling this phone are done, and the phone successfully powers on. Here I tried to test out the speaker, but the songs wouldn't download as it was not connected to Wi-Fi. I had to blur most of this out as the background picture showed the owner's child and it wouldn't be good to put that on YouTube. I take the charger port and speaker from the pink iPhone 5C and install it into the green one, and as you can see it charges now and it also plays audio.